Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, August 23rd, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today on the 2000 Tick Chart, ES Futures. Quite a few trades in here, Fomc day, rate cuts come in September, so initially big sell-off, big rally, a lot of volatility. So let's get into it and see the trades that we had. Starting off in the pre-market session here with this nice upward trend staying above the 21 EMA, we can clearly see a very nice first entry, second entry long right here, leading to our new high. Quick little sell-off here, comes and actually gets below the EMA, pauses, goes higher, goes sideways just for a second here. You do get a first entry, second entry short failure. I just didn't think you had enough room to the highs here. If you're patient and you waited, maybe you could get in with a limit order, so maybe you could take that failure. But overall, I just didn't like it in real time. But after that being said, we had a really nice big move up here with a slight correction, break, and new low. And pretty much just a prime example of a first entry, second entry long, textbook ABC. Great pullback here to the 50%. I mean, just context-wise, doesn't really get any better than that, so no brainer. Second entry long leads to a great move up, and you do get this measured move, come short but just by a few ticks there, as you can see. But after that, you get the most beautiful lower high setup right at the top here of this bigger trading range channel. Sell off happens, you get a first entry, second entry short failure, comes up, rejection off EMA, you kind of get this little flag pattern. Never makes a new low, rallies higher, as we can see. And then after that, you get a pullback, break new high. And I did see this 1, 2, and 3 triple test here. I just wish it went above this bar here. So it is a low risk bar, especially for how big the other bars were. But I think that triple test there is worth taking, at least back to the EMA. And this thing just sells right off here, as we can see. All the way down. You do get a first entry, second entry short, but horrible signal bar. And watching that live, I did see that as just unfortunately not a good signal bar. Anyways, this move makes its way down here, and then you get a really nice first entry, second entry short. And you go ahead and check out that trade for today. Posted that on my channel as well. So beautiful textbook with the first break of the trend channel. Basically, what we want to see, the second entry is what we want to take from time and time again. These are the no-brainers. Beautiful second entry short there. You get your new break and new low, and then we make a move higher here. And then we get another nice, really, first entry, second entry short failure here. So nice, beautiful, failed second entry short here. Makes an attempt below the EMA and then stays above it, trapping those traders. Makes its way higher. Get a slight pullback, make to a new high here. I thought all of this, as you can kind of see here, is also just pretty congested. Tries to make higher once, twice, and 3 times. Wouldn't be counting this as a triple test or going short here, but you can see that we do sell off here. Comes back right to the very tick of that 56.25.75 mark. And then you do get a first entry, second entry long in here. This is pretty tempting to take, but with it being how it has been today, I think that's a little too risky to take. Better always to wait for a higher low or lower high. Anywho, as this thing makes its way higher here, nice big bullish bars closing way on their highs here. Good full bull bar, no wicks. Love seeing those. Those are no-brainer trades to take too. Not following the PATS system with that necessarily, more of a Al Brooks thing, but might be worth noting for any of you guys trading that. Carrying along here as we get a move break, couple legs to a new high. Kind of saw this as a 1, 2, and 3. Big outside bar closing on us low here. Just huge bar, as you can see. Major rejection off that. So same thing. If you see that, you go long. If you see that, you go short. As we make our way down here, we just get a couple first entries. This one's tempting to take here. This particular bar almost has a lower high. Kind of hesitant on it. But anyways, yeah, sells off here. Really big channel below. Let me change the color here. Really big khaki channel on the way down. Just another first entry. Pulls back, first entry. Yeah, no second entries here. You can clearly see the support and resistance across the board here, though. And you do get a, like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Maybe you can sell the top by the bottom if you know what you're doing here. But overall, still the first break. So, you do get a first entry, second entry short as well right here. But bad signal bar. So maybe if your bar was better, you could potentially take that. On a bigger note here, with the break of this trend channel, you do get your break and then you get your new low. And we can clearly see a nice break and new low here as well. And then the trend gets a major trend reversal here with a move up. Your first break, beautiful. First entry, second entry long, great signal bar. Textbook setup right there. Makes its way higher. Then you get another one. First entry, second entry long. I try to enter, especially this. When I see this is congested. Try to enter instead of one tick or with a limit order backer here. Try to get it like right around here. Initially, you are going to risk a little bit more just based on the day. But you're going to also win more. So, and then you can trail your stop when you see that bar. Trail your stop when you see that bar, etc., etc. Carrying along here with this basically spike and then bullish channel here. We can see it kind of being in this trading range here, going above and below the EMA. Nice move up, break new high. Then you get another first entry, beautiful second entry long failure. Makes its way back down to the bottom of this trend channel. And same thing happens again. We go higher here with the first move down, first entry, second entry short, failure, it goes higher. Not the best signal bar. It is holding above the EMA here. This doesn't look half bad, and especially with the move, plenty of room to the swing high here, I would say. It's a pretty low risk bar. I think that one's at least worth mentioning here, especially because if it breaks above this and then goes above this, taking out the stops, then you can at least expect to move quite a bit higher. And sure enough, it does. You are getting to the end of the day there, so you always got to be careful with this late trading stuff. And then that's basically how we ended it for this Friday. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this chart review. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.